Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Natural Remedies. If today is the first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to use celery to just reduce that belly fat and keep in shape. If this is like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. Without wasting much of your time guys, let's just get into the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, the first thing we need for this recipe is celery stalk. So when I'm gonna cut it and just put it inside the plate, I'm making use of all these celery stalk and put inside the fridge. If you want to just reduce extra kilos and keep in shape, this is just what you need every morning to just do it. When you drink it for 5 days, you're gonna see a wonderful result. You will shed extra kilos and it will just keep you in shape. Add it straight to the plate. This thing works so well. It works like magic guys. It's a magic drink. Just go ahead and make your own and drink and just reduce that extra kilos. Okay? But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn off the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so I'm making a large quantity because I put inside the freezer. So guys, the next thing we need is our lemon. I'll just peel off the back of the lemon. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll just cut it. Add it straight to the plate. So the next thing we need is our lime. But if you don't have lime, you can just use your lemon. It's all the same, but if you want it to just work very well, just mix it lime and lemon. It's gonna work, like magic. So right now I'm gonna start to peel off the back of the lime. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Subscribe guys. If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe. Cut it and add it straight to the plate. I'm gonna add it straight to the lemon plate. This lemon and lime right now. So I'm gonna add the lemon and the lime first. Then I'll add 1 cup of spinach. Then I'm gonna add the celery stalk. Then I'll add 2 cups of water. This is a magic drink. When you drink this and after 5 days, you're gonna see the results. But if you want it to work fast, you can just add a little bit exercise, just to work out just a little bit. And you see how you're gonna work. It will work like magic. This drink is an awesome drink, very wonderful drink that you cannot go wrong with. This is natural. I used to prepare this, so go ahead and make it and enjoy it. So it's ready. I'll just pour it straight to the cup. That's what you need just to reduce that extra kilo and just keep in shape. This thing works so well. This drink works so well. It's just gonna be your breakfast. If you want this thing to just work very well for you, make it as your breakfast. When you wake up in the morning, you prepare, you just want to go to work or maybe at home, then you will drink it and just leave it. Let it just be your breakfast. Honestly, by doing this, after some days you will start seeing results. After 5 days, you just reduce that extra kilo and just keep you in shape. It works so well. Just go ahead and give it a try. And it has a very good taste. It has a very good taste. Just go ahead and drink it. It's not sour. It's not something that is bitter. It just has a very good taste, and you can drink it. I know you can. So if you just want to reduce that belly fat, keep in shape, go ahead and make your own. End of the video, guys. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. But bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Just don't forget to click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. But bye guys, see you guys in my next video.